Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2021 Question 8a. This is an angles of depression problem involving a tower in a building. From the top of a tower, 80 m high, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a building are 28 degrees and 36 degrees, respectively. The word respectively means the angle of depression to the top of the building is 28 degrees, and the angle of depression to the bottom of the building is 36 degrees. The base of the building is on the same horizontal level as the foot of the tower. We are asked to calculate the height of the building, correct to 4 significant figures. Angle of depression. So this simplifies to equals angle measured downward from a horizontal line. Angle of depression equals corresponding angle. Of elevation. We first find the horizontal distance. Then we find the vertical difference. A equals base of the building. B equals foot of the tower. First, draw the horizontal ground. Let A be the base of the building and let B be the foot of the tower. The question says the base of the building is on the same horizontal level as the foot of the tower, so A and B lie on the same horizontal line. The tower is 80 m high, so from B, draw a vertical line upward to the top of the tower, D. So, length of BD equals 80 m. Now draw the building vertically upward from A. Let the top of the building be E. The height of the building is length of EA, and this is what we want to find. 36 degrees. Angle DAB equals 36 degrees. Also, from the top of the tower, D, the angle of depression to the top of the building, E, is 28 degrees. So we draw the line, DE, and mark the angle of depression from the horizontal as 28 degrees. EC is parallel to AB. Length of EC equals length of AB. To form a useful right triangle, draw a horizontal line from E, the top of the building, to meet the tower at C. This line, EC, is horizontal, so it is parallel to the ground line, AB. The horizontal distance between the building and tower is the same at the ground level and at the level of the top of the building. Therefore, length of EC equals length of AB. The angle of depression from D to E is equal to the angle of elevation from E to D. So, angle DEC equals 28 degrees. Length of BD equals 80 m. Angle DAB equals 36 degrees. Angle DEC equals 28 degrees. Length of DC equals vertical difference. Between the tower. Top and building. Top. Height of building equals 80 meters sinus length of DC. This is the completed diagram. Now we can calculate the height of the building. We first use triangle DB to find the horizontal distance, length of AB. In triangle DB, the tower height, length of BD equals 80 m, is opposite the angle, 36 degrees, and the length of AB is adjacent to the angle. So we use tangent. Using the tangent ratio, we write tan of 36 degrees equals 80 over length of AB. So the horizontal distance between the building and the tower is approximately 110.1117 m. Tan of 36 degrees equals 80 over length of AB. Length of AB tan of 36 degrees equals 80. Length of AB equals 80 over tan of 36 degrees. Length of AB equals 110.1117 m. Next, we use triangle DEC to find length of DC. Length of DC is the vertical difference between the top of the tower and the top of the building. The horizontal distance, length of EC, is equal to length of AB. So, length of EC equals 110.1117 m. With respect to the 28 degrees angle at E, length of DC is opposite and length of EC is adjacent. So we use tangent again. Now substitute. Length of EC equals 110.1117 m. So length of DC equals 58.5464 m. Remember, this is not the height of the building. It is the part of the tower above the building. Tan of 28 degrees equals length of DC over length of EC. Tan of 28 degrees equals length of DC over 110.1117. Length of DC equals 110.1117 tan of 28 degrees. Length of DC equals 58.5464 m. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The full tower is 80 m high. The part from the top of the building level to the top of the tower is 58.5464 m. So the height of the building is 80 minus length of DC. So the height of the building is 21.4536 m. Continue the calculation using the same diagram. The next steps are shown on the right. 21.4536 m. 21.4536 goes to 21.45. The question asks for the answer correct to four significant figures. The first four significant figures are 2, 1, 4, and 5. The next digit is 3, so the 5 stays the same. Therefore, the height of the building is 21.45 m, correct to four significant figures. Therefore, the height of the building is 21.45 m. To summarize, length of BD equals 80, m length of AB equals 80 over tan of 36 degrees. The key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, length of AB equals 110.1117, and the key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, we first used the 36 degrees angle to find the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. This gave length of AB equals 110.1117 m. Then we used the 28 degrees angle to find the vertical difference between the top of the tower and the top of the building. This gave length of DC equals 58.5464 m. Finally, we subtracted length of DC from 80 to get the height of the building. This is the final answer. Exam tip. Angle of depression equals angle of elevation. Be careful. Length of DC is not the building height. Height of building equals 80 meters setercinus length of DC. Draw the diagram carefully. Find the horizontal distance first. Then subtract the vertical difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.